Hello everybody, and welcome to the Apple Exchange's tutorial videos on how to use your Mac. Today we're going to go over setting up an external hard drive for either Time Machine backup or storage on your Mac. Let's go ahead and get started. To begin, you need to open the utility called Disk Utility. There are a couple ways to do this, but generally the easiest would be clicking your Applications folder, scrolling down to Utilities, and clicking Disk Utility. Now another way you can do it if you don't have your Applications folder pinned to your dock is by hitting the spotlight in the top corner and typing disk, and you'll see at top hit will be Disk Utility, or if you need to actually hit the space in U, you may have to. Once it's highlighted and pulled up, go ahead and click on it. This is your Disk Utility. You'll see here mine lists 3 drives, but only one of them is a USB drive. This is the drive we're going to be formatting today. To format it, you're going to go ahead and select the main part of the drive, which will be the actual drive name, size, and model number. We're then going to go ahead and go to the Partition tab. Under the Partition tab, you'll notice that the name and format is grayed out, and that's because the partition layout is labeled as current. To format this drive, we're going to go ahead and change it to 1 partition. You may choose 2, 3, 4, all the way up to as many partitions as you'd like, but I'm just going to be using this drive for my own Time Machine backup, so I'm only going to do 1 partition. Now if you're like me and you use multiple hard drives, I do like to name the hard drive with what it is. For an example, this hard drive is a LaCie drive, and it's a 1.5 terabyte. Okay, you can do this however you would like. After you type in the name, you will want to make sure that the format is Mac OS Extended Journaled. Now if you're going to be sharing this hard drive between a Windows PC and a Mac, you can set it up for MS-DOS or EXT-FAT. I will tell you, if you do use MS-DOS, the transfer of data will be limited. You will not be able to transfer files larger than 20 gigabytes. For my case, I'm going to stick with Mac OS Extended Journal. After you have the name typed in, the format selected, and you can see the size is 1.5 terabytes, you'll go ahead and click Apply. You'll get a message here that says, "Are you sure you want to partition this disk? Everything that's currently on it will be deleted." I'm going to go ahead and click Partition. Now you're going to notice the progress bar down here. It's going to go through and show you that it unmounted the disk. It's currently formatting it, and it's going to rename it the LaCie 1.5 terabyte and format it to Mac OS Extended Journaled. Alright, so the partition is finished, and you'll notice right after the partition it does ask me if I want to use the LaCie to back up with Time Machine. For now I'm going to click Don't Use, because I am going to show you how to set this up manually. Now we're done in Disk Utility. You can go ahead and press Command Q, or click on the name Disk Utility up here and choose Quit to quit Disk Utility. Now that we have the LaCie 1.5 terabyte hard drive set up, now we're going to go ahead and set up the Time Machine backup. There's 2 ways to do this. There is a Time Machine icon located in the top right hand corner by your time and date, and you can actually just right there click Open Time Machine Preferences. This is going to go ahead and open up the System Preferences side of your Time Machine. So the first thing you're going to want to do is select your backup disk. You'll notice when I do that it does give me options for the disk that I currently have on the machine, as well as a time capsule. I'm going to choose my LaCie and choose Use Disk. Now you'll see that it shows me that I have the LaCie 1.5 terabyte selected, shows you the space you have available. It'll also show you your oldest backup and latest backup. Now you'll see that my Time Machine is already going to start. The next backup is going to occur in about 100 seconds. Thank you for watching our tutorial videos, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact the Apple Exchange at 602-492-7575. I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video.